As you can see by the title, guys, we will be making fried corned beef
Welcome to Carla's Kitchen
bakes.
CC
This is the
YouTube channel.
baking powder, and I will be using 2
Carla the Big Bad
teaspoons
Chef.
of baking
Always
powder
like, comment,
in
and
this recipe.
subscribe. Yeah, man,
So
comment to the
I'm going to
thing.
be
Carla's
adding
Kitchen
2
CC.
teaspoons
Best cooking
of
around here.
and this
She's
is the
creative, unique,
dry
skillful, and she's
This is
different.
3
Always chefing it up in her kitchen.
tablespoons of
Don't
butter.
forget Carla's Kitchen CC. Clean and
use
everything
butter, or
neat
you can
and
use
delicious
shortening.
in a Carla's
Alright?
Kitchen.
1 tablespoon
Carla's Kitchen, remember to subscribe, like,
In my
comment,
bowl,
and
I
share.
have 3 cups
Yeah, man, click the red
of
subscribe button
flour.
and turn on the post notification bell so you'll be notified whenever she upload a new video.
1
And
teaspoon
support the thing,
of
share.
salt. This is the
Carla's
store
Kitchen
of the show.
CC.
Corned
You
beef,
hear that? What
or
we say?
in other words,
Run, go subscribe to Carla's
we
Kitchen
would
CC.
say
Yeah,
bully
yeah,
beef
yeah,
in Jamaica. So I don't know what you call it in your country or your state. So put it in the comment section and tell me if you guys have another name for corned beef or bully beef. I would love to know. Okay? And guys, you're going to need warm water to knead the flour. So make sure your water is warm. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add all the dry ingredients to the flour. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. I'm adding my 3 tablespoons of butter. Yes, I melt the butter. Now I'm going to combine this together nicely. Okay, so I'm going to go in now with my water, my lukewarm water, small portion. Just continue kneading the dough until the dough is nice and soft. I'm going to allow the dough to rest. So I'm going to put it back in the same bowl that I knead the flour in. So I just add a little bit of oil to the bowl so that the dough doesn't stick. Alright, and then I'm going to put it in here so that it can rest. I'm going to cover it with a dishcloth and leave the dough to rest for about an hour. Okay, so I have my pot on the stove to cook the corned beef. So to my pot I will be adding some coconut oil, and this is organic coconut oil. And that is about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil I just added. Here I'm adding some garlic in my pot. These are my bell peppers, and I'm using 1/4 of bell pepper. Now I'm going to go in with the corned beef. And you can add tomatoes to this recipe if you like. It is optional because I'm going to add some ketchup, or you can add tomato paste. Now here I'm adding a mixture of seasoning. I'm going to be adding a pinch of black pepper here, a pinch of parsley. Okay, so I'm going to be adding a tablespoon of ketchup. Okay, so the corned beef is ready. So I'm going to turn off the stove. It smells so delicious. Okay, here is the dough. So it's time to form out the dough, guys. It's nice and soft. You form some little balls like that. Now that I've formed out my dough balls, I'm gonna go ahead now and I'm gonna roll it out and show you the next step. Add a little bit of flour to my rolling pin. Do not press down too hard on the dough. I have the corned beef. So after putting the filling in the center of the dough, you're going to bring the dough together like this. So pinching it together, then stick it down like that. Okay. And you're going to gently roll it. Smooth it out with a little bit of flour. Here we have a nicely formed one. I'm going to put it to the side. Okay. So I finished forming out my dough. So it's time to fry. Oil is ready. Then turn this one. You're going to fry the bakes on each side for about a minute or until it is golden brown. So here are the fry bakes, guys, stuffed with corned beef. So I'm going to break into one so you can see what inside is looking like. Alright, please remember to like the video, share the video out, comment, tell a friend to tell another friend about Carly's Kitchen, CC. Wow, look at that, guys. Very nice. Try it.